I'm tired of just copying manga art. I want to create characters that actually feel like they're my own. And don't get me wrong, copying is a great form of practice, even recommended by the Shonen Jump editors themselves. But there comes a point where, if you want to create your own manga or comic, you're going to have to take that uncomfortable step and design your own characters. And lately, I've been practicing by copying some of my favorite manga, but I've been getting that itch to really start creating manga itself, something original. The problem is, there's so many moving parts to a manga, I hardly know where to begin. So, I figured maybe start with one of the main characters. Someone I'd want to draw in a manga over and over. I've been stressing out a lot about this, and I think one of the reasons is I feel like I'm still stuck in practice mode, where unless I'm drawing heads, figures, boxes, cylinders, whatever, that my day is wasted doing anything else. So I'm taking baby steps towards my character design, starting with the face. The face is something you'll be drawing over and over again, something that has to look unique and appealing, and you have to get down. So, yes, I'm starting with the face, and then I'll build on that. Next, expressions, different angles, then building up the body, exploring outfit designs, outfits that fit the setting of the story. Then, voila, maybe I'll have a character suitable for manga. We'll see. In one of my favorite manga, Bakuman, a panel mentions that a lot of manga artists draw their dream girl as the heroine. Whether that's true or not, the idea makes sense. Characters usually come from people and traits we admire in some way. The problem is, real people don't look like manga characters. That's something I've really struggled with, taking a real face and simplifying it into something that still feels expressive but works in a manga style and doesn't look incredibly creepy. So, after a ton of failed attempts using reference of real people, I decided to pull my inspiration from a couple different places. The hair loosely inspired by a character named Lion from Final Fantasy XI, and the overall look of the character and style influenced by the characters in Avatar The Last Airbender. Not to copy them directly, but to help me create something inspired by elements of other characters I find interesting. And I know it doesn't seem like much. Oh, you just drew a face. I know, I've been telling myself that as well. But I needed to start somewhere. I've been getting too bogged down with planning and overthinking. It's honestly been stressing me out because when I'm in the mood to draw, I'm usually not in the mood to film or make video. So I'm filling sketchbooks, and then when it comes time to make a video, it's like, oh, a face, you know. So, yeah, I have this idea for a story, and I needed a design for some of the characters. Before I can even consider starting a manga project, I need characters. And this is only version 1, but this character is named Valesi, a name I thought up years ago for a similar story. She's a young woman in her late teens. She's got a bit of a tomboy vibe, but still girly. My first initial inspiration was the flowing hair you see in 80s hair metal bands, but I also have a thing for short hair girls, so I tried to do a little mix of both. I hadn't planned to do any like character sheet stuff right now. I have a few ideas for like personality stuff, but I think I'm gonna save that and make like an actual character sheet with the full body, a couple outfits, that kind of stuff. But I kind of want to get my two main characters down because she's going to be kind of co-starring alongside another character, a boy of around the same age, which I'm planning to do next. Anyways, I really don't know what I'm doing. I want to start making manga and escape this never-ending practice loop. I need characters, so here's one of them. I want to limit it to maybe 2 to 3 for now. After that, maybe designing the environment for the story. I don't know. We'll take it step by step. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I know it's kind of a mess, but I'd love some tips or suggestions, cause yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun with it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.